Say hi.
Hi.
That's my daughter Risha here. And I'm off today from work, and my daughter is off today from school.
Because it's Martin Luther King Jr. Day.
Yeah, it's Martin Luther King's Jr. Day. So, I decided that I'm gonna make something special for the kids for lunch, and Risha will tell you what I'm going to make.
It's stuffed bell peppers
Mm-hmm.
with some yummy stuffing inside.
Yeah, with some yummy stuffing inside. Health, I'm going to bake it with no oil. So I'm going to make it a healthier version of the stuffed bell peppers recipe. So stay tuned with us and I'm gonna share it with you.
And let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking. So we'll start with boiling the potatoes. Once the potatoes are boiled, we will make a mixture. So Risha is helping me with making all my filling for the stuffed bell pepper. So once the potatoes are all mashed up nicely, we'll add onions, and I will also add some green chilies, which is optional. If you don't like spicy, you can completely skip this, or if you like more spicy, you can add more like I do. So I'm adding more red chili powder in this, and then I'm going to add some cumin powder and also some garam masala and some black salt and my other spices. Now I'm done with all my dry spices. I'm going to add some green chili sauce and also a little bit of red tomato sauce. Yes, tomato ketchup. So this will give a tangy, like sweet and sour kind of flavor to the filling. And once it's all done, I'm going to mix it well. So all the flavors are mixed well, nice. And once the filling is all ready, we will add some green cilantro to give it a freshness. Now once the filling or the stuffing is ready, we will fill all these bell peppers. We are gonna stuff those bell peppers with this filling. So what I did with the bell peppers, I cut them horizontally to make them in a ball shape, and it's easier to fill them, and it's easier to bake them. They don't run here and there. So um, I just cut the bell peppers in a ball shape, and I cleaned them up with all the seeds, and now I'm going to stuff every bell pepper with this filling. So you can see once it's all done, I'm going to do the same thing with all the bell peppers. So all the bell peppers, we have to stuff it nicely, and once it's all done, we will start baking them. So we will fill up all the bell peppers nicely, and once I'm done with it, I'm going to bake them, and the temperature would be 385 degrees and for 15-20 minutes. But I will tell you, please keep an eye on it because every oven is different. So and the temperature would be different for all these ovens. Please keep checking. So I just took them out after 10 minutes just to make sure that the temperature is right for them, and I took them out halfway and I put them cheese on the top because my daughter likes that crunchy cheese thing. So I just put the cheese, and again I put it in the oven for again 10-15 minutes. But so this is how they're gonna look like after 10-15 minutes. They're all done and they look really nice aroma you get, and this is a very nice recipe. I hope you try it for sure. So I hope you like the recipe, and Risha really helped me a lot, and I hope she liked. Do you like it?
I love it.
You loved it? How was the taste?
Yummy.
Yummy. So I hope you guys liked it too. Please don't forget to like that video. Please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. You're gonna be notified of all the videos that I post on my channel. You'll be the first one to get notified. Okay,
And
so
press
just
the notification bell.
press the notification bell too. Bye.
Bye.